Yedawapo arokere ni mo.
Mena yediebo. Wakirike man.
Welcome back to another lesson.
Ngwani. Yewa Bible finji. Ngwani yedawapo arokere ni mo.
Yediebo. Wakirike man.
That means learners greet you, and the learners in turn respond, yes, we greet you too. Mengba, mena Kirikeni Alphabet, ane ye gobara moa sakibiaye. So today we're going to start from the very beginning by learning the Wakirike or Kirikeni Okwein alphabet. There are 37 letters in the Kirikeni Okwein alphabet and 9 vowel sounds within the alphabet. I'm going to go through it all from A to Z. That's A to Z, obviously. And after that, I would like you to repeat after me. A, B, B, Chi, D, D, A, F, G, B, Gwe, Ha, A, J, K, B, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, We, Ne, O, P, Re, Se, Te, U, O, V, We, Ye, Z. That makes the 37 alphabet. Now I'd like you to repeat after me. A, B,
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 Ch,
Che,
D,
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 B,
A,
A,
F,
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 G,
G,
B,
B,
Gwe,
Gwe,
Ha,
A,
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 G,
G,
K,
K,
B,
B,
Kwe,
Kwe,
Le,
Le,
Me,
Me,
Ne,
Ne,
we, nye,
nye,
o,
o,
pe,
pe,
re,
re,
se,
se,
te,
te,
u,
u,
o,
ve,
ve,
we,
we, ye,
ye,
ze.
ze.
Well done. That makes the 37 alphabet. Like any language, they form the basis of learning the language. I should have mentioned earlier, but I'll say it now, that Kirikeni Okwein is a tonal language. So it's very important that you follow the tone of alphabet and the words as we progress along our lessons. So now we've got the 37 alphabet. Let's very quickly go through the vowels. There are 9 vowels in the Kirikeni Okwein alphabet. So without wasting time, I'll go through them once again, and then you can repeat after me. A, E, I, A, O, U, O. Now repeat after me. A, E,
E,
I,
I,
A, O,
O,
U,
U,
O.
O.
Very good. On that note, we will end this series.